Hi, I'm Dr. Todd Shatkin, and welcome to this Monday Morning Minute. How do your patients clean around their mini implants? When they have fixed restorations, cemented crowns, bridges, or roundhouse restorations, it's very important that they do a good job of cleaning. So in my office, I want to give our patients the tools so they can do a great job at home in between their professional cleaning visits. So in my office, I see my patients every 3 months for professional cleanings when they have roundhouse restorations. At home, I give them the H2O floss machine from Shatkin First, and we provide this to them no charge. These machines are very economical for us to purchase. Shatkin First provides them for you at a very reasonable price. You can give these to your patients. Trust me, you're charging them $15,000 to $17,000 for a roundhouse. Throw this in and they will appreciate you for it, and they will use it every day in their house. They need to use it in the morning and at night and keep their mouth really clean. The other thing that I often will do is give them an electric toothbrush as well. Either a Sonicare or an Oral-B. One of those electric toothbrushes does wonders to keep the bacteria and the food out from underneath the bridgework. And if you give them both of those things, they will do a great job. But I recommend every 3 months. Make them come back every 3 months to your office for a professional cleaning so that you can keep a close eye on their implants. And about once a year, take necessary x-rays to check and make sure the bone and everything looks good around the implants. So that's your Monday Morning Minute this Monday. I thank you for joining me, and we will look forward to seeing you next Monday morning.
Hi, this is Fitz from Shatkin First. Just want to let you know if you buy 11 of the Shatkin First H2O flossers, we give you the 12th free.